Dear children, we have studied about online shopping or e-shopping. So let us see how e-shopping can be done. The first secure retail transaction over the web was either by net market or internet shopping network in 1994. That is, first online shopping was done in 1994 by net market. The concept of online shopping was introduced by Michael Aldrich in 1979. So, different e-shopping websites are Amazon, Jabang, Snapdeal. So, let us see how we can do e-shopping through Amazon website. So, first you open the web browser, any of the web browser, then type the web address, that is www.amazon.in in the address bar and press enter key. Then the home page of the Amazon will appear. Like this way, the first page or the home page of the website of Amazon will appear. Then click on your orders on drop down arrow. So in the drop down arrow, click on the orders and a drop down arrow will appear like this. Then click on the start here option. There you can create your account. So create account page appears where you can create your account. So there you can enter the details in the page. Then fill in the fields of the form like this. You have to enter your name, mobile number, email address and password. Then click on continue. After that, a code will be sent to your mobile number. Then you must enter the code in the field as asked for. So the code here you have to enter here. Then you have to press verify. Verification of your identity, you will be greeted with the Amazon page to choose commodities to buy. Now you can see the name of the account holder in the page. So your name will appear here. Hello, your name. Then click on the continue button to click on the continue button to choose your delivery options. That is how you have to delivery. Your delivery address, all these have to be entered. So you may review your order based on all the inputs. Now, after reviewing your order for correctness, click on the place your order button. Like this, place your order button. That is, by reviewing you have to check the delivery address, payment method, that is how you are paying, through card or through home delivery, or through pay on delivery, or through using card like credit card or debit card or net banking. Through any facility you are paying. Then what is the total amount you have to pay, then whether there is any discount or any delivery is there or any delivery charge is there, that all you have to check. And after that you have to click place your order. Then after placing the order, the item will be delivered to you within few days. So this is how e-shopping can be performed through Amazon. So next topic is e-reservation. So e-reservation is the process of booking tickets online. So we all book tickets online. So that is called e-reservation. It is also called e-ticketing. An e-ticket or electronic ticket is a paperless electronic document used for ticketing passengers, particularly in the commercial airline industry. So what is e-ticket? E-ticket is electronic ticket. It is a paperless ticket. That is, it is in the form of a soft copy in our electronic device, maybe in a computer or in a mobile phone. When a customer books a flight by telephone or using the web, the details of the reservation are stored in a computer. The customer can request that a hard copy confirmation be sent by postal mail, but it is not needed at the check-in desk. A confirmation number is assigned to the passenger along with the flight numbers, date, departure location and destination location. When checking in at the airport, the passenger simply presents positive identification. The necessary boarding passes are issued and the passenger can check luggage and proceed through security to the gate area. So e-reservation is the process of storing, processing and retrieving information of tickets via internet. In India, train tickets are booked through website www.irctc.co.in. The term IRCTC stands for Indian Catering and Tourism Corporation. So IRCTC stands for Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. So to book a train ticket online, following steps are to be taken. First, open any web browser. So here the Edge browser is opened. Any other browser and type in the web address, that is www.irctc.co.in in the address bar and press enter key. The IRCTC website opens up. So click on the login button. So you can see a login button. Click on the login button, then the login page will appear as shown here. So there you have to enter your user ID and password. Then you have to enter the CAPTCHA. So CAPTCHA is the method used to tell that humans are doing online work and not robots. So this is called CAPTCHA. Some letters or numbers will be written and that you have to type in. So it is used, CAPTCHAs are used to identify whether the person using the internet is a human being. Then you have to enter the user ID, password and the displayed CAPTCHA. Then click on the sign in button. Then after signing in, you have to enter the source and the destination of your journey as train stations. You have to enter the date of the journey. You may add the class of the seat in this screen or later screen. Finally, click on the Find Trains button. So here you have to starting position and the ending position. Then the date of the journey. Then the class, whether you are going by first class or AC or second class, or whether through which class you are traveling. Then click on Find Trains button. After the Find Trains button is clicked, a list of trains come up that take you from the source to the destination. At this stage, you may choose your class of seat as well as check the availability of the ticket. Then click on the check availability and fare button for the seat. You can see a list of trains will appear. Trains and it's the starting position of the train and the ending position of the train. Starting source and the destination of the train will appear. So you have to select a particular train and check whether the train seats are available. So here you can see the class, whether it is AC or first class or sleeper class. Any class is you have to select. Then the availability, whether it is available, and the rate for a particular class will be displayed. The screen shows up with the kind of availability that is there for the ticket. If the ticket is available for booking, available shows up. For RAC seats, that is reservation against cancellation, RAC shows up, and for waiting list, WL for waiting list shows up. Click on the book now button. Now you have, if you are satisfied with all these, then click on the book now button. You will be greeted on the screen for making available the people who wish to occupy the seats. Click here to book ticket. Click here to stick to previous booking. If you have booked a ticket in previous month or in previously, so if you want to go to the same place through the same train or through the same class, you have to click continue with previous booking, or you can click here book now particular train and it's everything is available. Now in the above screen, other trains with seats available are shown. You may still want to stick on to the train, same train and seat. In this case, you have to click continue with previous booking. Or if you want to go with some other train, you can click on the particular train and click on book now. Then enter the name, age and gender of the person with preference of seat like upper, lower or middle. Like here you have to enter your name, gender, seat, that is upper, lower or middle. Then after entering the passenger details, respond to the CAPTCHA query. After details, you have to enter a CAPTCHA again. That is a combination of characters and letters and numbers. So here it is a CAPTCHA is displayed. So a CAPTCHA is displayed and you have to enter that CAPTCHA. Then click on the continue booking button to go to the next step. So click here, you can see a continue booking button. So click on the continue booking button, or if you want to change you can replan booking, but if you want to continue you have to click on continue booking. So click on the continue booking button to go to the next steps. So here is the continue booking button, click on that. Then seat availability details and passenger details are displayed. Then click on continue booking option. The user will be directed to the safe and secure payment page. So click on the credit and debit card or net banking or wallet powered by Paytm. Any option can be selected by the user to proceed to the payment. So here are lots of payment options are available. Then after selecting any of the payment option, click on make payment from the link. Click on the make payment. Selecting particular menu, then click on the make payment button. Then select any one of your choice of methods of pay and then enter the details of your debit or credit card and expiry date and CVV number. Then click on the pay now button. Enter the details here, then click on the pay now button. So after the above steps, the tickets get booked in the particular train and shown to you. Then you may take the printout of the same. So thank you children. Today's class is over. So you have studied in this class about how e-shopping can be performed using Amazon website and how e-reservation can be performed through IRCTC website.